Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install eToro for crypto and Web3 learning setup easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official eToro website. Locate the Join Now button on the home page. Click on the Join Now button to begin the registration process. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a password. Select your country of residence from the drop-down menu. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box. Click the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a verification message from eToro. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the eToro website. Log in using your registered email and password. Complete the additional profile information as prompted. Submit any necessary identification documents for verification. Wait for your account to be verified, which usually takes a few minutes. Once verified, click on the Trade Markets tab to explore available options. Search for cryptocurrencies in the search bar. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to trade or learn about. To start trading, click on the Trade button next to the cryptocurrency. Set your investment amount and choose any parameters if needed. Click Open Trade to execute your transaction. To access educational resources, navigate to the Academy section. Here you will find various courses and articles about crypto and Web3. Take your time to explore different topics that interest you. Consider joining the eToro community forums for peer support. With these steps, you are now set up to start learning and trading on eToro. Enjoy your journey into the world of cryptocurrency and Web3. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.